Hi everybody, I'm Donna Payne. I'm gonna do dry cat food challenge. Well, it's kind of gonna be like wet, but it's dry at the moment. See, dry, but I have water. So I'm gonna have some cat food with water. Sounds great, don't it? Yummy. I feed my cat this all the time. They love it. So let's see what they like so much about it. Let's pour some water in and get this going. And let's see. It's kind of looking like gross, and it smells like stinky cat food. Why doesn't my cat eat this? What? She really eats this? Okay, I'm gonna take a bite. You ready? You gonna do it? I challenge you, Brandon Payne, to do the dry cat, wet cat food, whatever you want to call it, challenge. Take a bite. Let's take a bite. Wait, I can't get past the smell. Oh my God. Don't feed your cat. Don't feed your cat food. It's nasty. It's nasty. Oh my God, I gotta swallow it. Oh, I'd rather eat it dry. It's not good wet. Oh my God, that's nasty. I'm never feeding my cat again. She'll starve. Jeez, sorry. She'll have to eat human food. She'll have to eat human food. That is so gross. Oh my God. Bye.